In this video, I'll show you how to use the watermark feature on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Simply launch the camera app and then tap on the arrow at the top and then go to settings. And then within the settings, simply select watermark. And then first things first, you have to ensure that it has been enabled so that you can use it. So enable it. And then from here, you should see a list of all available watermarks that you can choose from. So find the one that you'd like to use. So let's say since we're in the holiday seasons, I can select one of them. And then whenever you take a photo, you'll now see the photo has the watermark feature on that particular captured photo. You can also choose other watermarks that you prefer. So let's just go back to the watermarks and scroll through and find the different ones that you can use from. So let's say for instance this one, you can select it and then capture any photo, and now you should see the watermark feature on that particular photo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.